In this video, I'm going to show you how to see interest income in Origin Financial. Let's get started. To view interest income in Origin Financial, go to Spending, then the Report section. This is where Origin stores detailed earnings information, statements, and account performance summaries. Once you are inside, open the latest quarterly report, annual report, or any available financial statement. In these reports, look for a line labeled Income or Net Interest Income. This section shows the total amount earned from interest over a specific reporting period. For users with access to internal customer dashboards, there may also be a Statements or Portfolio Performance tab that displays interest earnings directly without needing to open full reports. This is the easiest way to monitor how much interest has been generated and review those earnings across monthly, quarterly, or yearly periods. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.